Hi guys, Nick's Gaming here. Today, I don't know what I'm recording. I really don't. It's late. Got the bike. Look at that little dog. Got his haircut done. Well, I can keep you guys posted if you go follow my Instagram. It's YOLO Nichols 33354. I will put it in the description down below. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. And look at the dog. Look how small he looks. If you guys haven't seen him before, when he has his fur grown, he looks humongous. And when he gets cut, he looks really small. I'm gonna, when you see his bed, it looks hilarious. And I know I haven't been posting in a while. I've been busy. I got grad coming up. Don't got time to post. And plus my computer's being garbage right now. Look. I can't get him to look at me when he's having his walk.
Get over this car.
Oh, look, big car, tiny dog. He does not want to, he likes the road, doesn't he? He doesn't like the grass with his new haircut, I guess, the wet grass. Yes, very small dog. The raincoat doesn't fit fully on his head, but you know, that's not what we need to worry about right now. Isn't that right, Grandma? When we put him on the bed when we get home, he's gonna look so small on his bed. Yeah, look. They're selling a lawnmower with no wheels. Look over there on the right, Grandma. They're selling a lawnmower with no wheels. Another car. Bam, bam, don't get ran over. Yeah. I am really sorry that I haven't been posting lately. Just had stuff to do, but I promise I'll be back on track now. I'll start doing daily uploads again. Or no, not daily. Weekly I might do for a while. I might switch to weekly and then maybe go back to daily. Because like weekly I can do, because if I post a video a week, I'll have a day off or so. But don't know if I should keep recording because it's raining, but I think his hood came off his head technically now. Jeez. Bam Bam doesn't like the rain right now. You're glad you have that raincoat on now. What if we didn't bring that raincoat? You'd be very upset at us, wouldn't you, Bam Bam? Look, I'm not wearing nothing. My grandma's not wearing anything. And yeah, I think this is the hardest rain that we've been out here. Okay, 5 likes will go in that tunnel. I'm kidding. maybe if we get 5 likes. I haven't gotten 5 likes on any of my videos, so I guarantee we're not going to hit that. Raining! Bam Bam, watch out, I don't want to run you over. Serious, you don't just stop in front of the bike. You gotta watch out for big things than you. Bigger things. I think there's pieces of hair sticking out of his feet. Random pieces of hair. Where do you think we're going, dog? Oh my gosh. Bro, why couldn't it start when we get home? Somebody's missing a bumper. What? You hear that? Seriously, I have 10 subscribers.
It's because he got a special skin moisturizer.
Oh. Doggy looking all fresh. Dog looking all fresh over here. Well, guys,
Yeah, I'd put your phone away.
it's starting to rain. I will post again tomorrow maybe, because I have school tomorrow. But other than that, like, subscribe. Just get a like on this video. 5 likes, I might go in that tunnel. And stay tuned for more not so amazing content. See you later. Also,
How are you even showing a video when it's down on the ground?
Also, if you guys prefer later uploading, when it's later, or like when it's earlier, like in the morning or at lunchtime or whatever, let me know in the comments and I will try to change it as much as I can. See you later.